Welcome to Crazy Hillbilly Cooking and Adventures. Today we are doing bacon jam. First off, we're going to start with 2 packs of bacon. We're going to go to 4 whole onions. And then, of course, you got to have some tomato. 4 tomatoes as well.
Hey guys, now that the onions and tomatoes have got cooked down in the bacon grease, we'll go ahead and put our crispy bacon back in. Get that all mixed up. Because you want these onions cooked down to really nice and tender. The tomatoes don't take very long, so just get all that mixed back up here. And traditionally, a bacon jam calls for maple syrup and some balsamic vinegar. Well, us hillbillies, we do things a little different. Have y'all seen our first video, Crazy Hillbilly Candy? This is some of that remnant juice, hillbilly juice. We pour a little splash of that in there in place of our maple syrup. And then, where this thing will turn into a nice glazy, sticky jam, we go in with some brown sugar. And we're just guessing at this point. So we go in with about 1/3 of the bag. It's a 2-pound bag from the store. And then we need a little black pepper. We love our pepper. But actually, we're gonna go kind of heavy. You can do however you like on this. We'll make this a real peppery. Then you just let it simmer until it gets nice and thick and to a nice jam consistency. While this is cooking down, we're grilling up some burgers for another video. And as soon as this gets done and those burgers get done, we're gonna put it down there and do a taste test. Be back with you in a bit. Alright guys, now that the jam is cooked down and got nice and thick, we tasted it, and we do want to add just a pinch of salt here. We want to bring up the flavor with salt just a hair. And then if you notice, we got some extra bacon grease, so we pulled it up to the side, let the grease drain down, and we're just going to go in a paper towel and soak out the grease out, extra grease out.
Hillbilly, which one do you want, my brother?
The cheesy one.
The cheesy one.
So, like I said, we didn't do nothing special to the burgers. They just salt and pepper and put a little cheese on them. Our main goal here is to focus on this bacon jam. Nice, thick, sticky, gooey bacon, onion, tomato goodness.
Weird. Now leave me some. Come on now, hillbilly.
Let old Uncle Bill get his fixed up here and we give these things a taste.
All right.
What do you think about that bacon jam?
Outstanding. I had never had it before. This is incredible. Just has that right salty and sweet flavor.
I highly recommend giving this a try, guys.
Absolutely.
Now stop eating here so I can talk to you.
Y'all, we highly appreciate you watching our videos, of course. And we thank you for all the subscribers, and we hope to get new ones. We always like new ones. Please share us around.
Yeah, just like and subscribe, and we got a lot more coming.
Absolutely. We'll see you next time.